Let's see India-China border dispute, because in these days this is also come on daily in the news, because the both side borders the tensions has been increased day by day, because India's have been deployed a lot of the troops on these borders that known as the Pangong Lake, and near the Pangong Lake is the borders of thus India and China, which is not marked by the international border McMahon line. But these lines have a very unique in ourselves, because the Chinese troops of the Chinese army troops has been come Indian's borders 448 meters inside of these borders, and they have fixed their pinches, they had fence, they have fixed their fence, and they have occupied the borders in China, because these borders are for India's two lines have been divided, that India's and China's near the Pangong Lake, that known as the Galwan valleys, because these separate borders which divide both countries, this is found near to the Pangong Lake, because Pangong Lake are known as the place where all of the melt, all of the snows are melt and go to the one lake that known as the Pangong, and there are found a lot of the Pangong bird in this place, because I have also visited the place, so we are sharing with you at this place. This is a unique place, and Chinese troops also recurring to this Indian territories, so that our PM Modi have been declared that a lot of the troops have been sent on the borders for the safeguard to our territories, and both the troops have been extensions. Both the countries have been facing the clash and conflict to each others, because Chinese have been declared that to controls to the troops of this Indian army, so that there is the main regions of the both conclusions, both classes, both struggles of the troops. Apart from that, you see that in 1962, when the war, Sino-India's war was held on, at the times the Sino means China's had captured the Aksai Chin, as well as the Mansarovar. That was the part of the India's before 1962. After that, the war of the 1962, the China's have been recovered to Aksai Chin in 1962. After that, you saw that some 2 or 3 years before, in 2017, where the Doklam cases was the same, because the Chinese troops have been recovered their one belt in one road. Thus formulas have been observed here, and they have make a road there. But our Indian troops have been protest to them, and they have found away from the years, because our troops have been attacked to them, so that we have need to understood in this point, because it is a major step between India and China. Thank you, friend. It is all about us, and like, comment and share to my channels for more informations, and you can just listen to our English communications, and you can also improve in front of your triples. You can speak as well as much possible. You can explore your ideas to our unions, to our world, and explore to ourselves. Thank you. Bye bye. Like, comment and share, friends.